Skylor, we're here in the showroom at TileTown. I love coming to see all of the new product, and you have this beautiful new display board with you.
Yes, so right now we are loving the Spanish tiles. Color, shade variation is very popular right now. We've brought in the Raku collection, the Tribeca collection, as well as the upcoming stage coming soon.
So lots of different looks. You have the polished, the matte, but they both look like that old world style.
Paying homage to where we came from, but just done in a really clean, contemporary way.
And what's this in front of us here?
So this is our new Novona series. We're very excited to have this. It's a play on the traditional travertine look.
Right, but it's flat. It doesn't have the pitting.
Exactly. So it has all the beauty of it, but it also has the function as well.
Yes, and without being porous.
Exactly.
You don't have to worry about cleaning.
Those times are behind us.
Right.
Yeah.
I can always count on you to show me the most up-to-date tile.